In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crop marks to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're preparing documents for professional printing, adding crop marks is an essential step. These marks guide the printer on where to trim the paper, ensuring your final product looks polished and precise. Let's walk through the process together. First, start by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It's important that you're using the Pro version because it has the necessary tools for print production that aren't available in the standard version. Once you have your file open and ready, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here you'll find an All Tools tab. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options designed to enhance your workflow efficiently. Now what you want to do next is select Use Print Production. By selecting this tool, you access a suite of options tailored for preparing your documents for professional printing. You'll notice features for managing your file's colors, merging files, and of course adding printer marks. Once you're in the print production settings, go ahead and select Add Printer Marks. This option lets you place several different types of marks on your document, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on crop marks. So within the section for printer marks, find the checkbox labeled Trim Marks and make sure it's selected. Trim marks are what indicate where the paper should be cut to achieve the final document size. Now that your trim marks are enabled, the next step involves setting your preferred style and line weight under the Style section. These options allow you to customize the appearance of the trim marks, making them as visible and effective as you need. Next up is choosing your page range. In the page range section, you can opt to apply these marks to all pages in your PDF or select specific pages individually. This flexibility is handy if you only need certain parts of your document to include crop marks. Once you're satisfied with these settings, simply click on OK. You'll see a confirmation dialog box pop up. Go ahead and click on Yes to confirm your choices. This will ensure that the modifications you've made will proceed without a hitch. Finally, another dialog box might appear, warning you that printer marks may overlap your artwork. Don't worry, this is a common occurrence. Just click OK and you're all set. With your crop marks in place, your PDF is now ready for professional printing, ensuring finished documents that meet the highest standards. Thanks for watching and happy printing.